What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Mo here. Welcome back to another video. This video will be another restoration, just on a pair of Chrome 6s, and let's get started. Alright, you guys, just to mention why I do not have my glasses on is because they broke. Alright, you guys, so we need any kind of container and our rejuvenator. So let me just open this up real quick. I got my 4-ounce sneaker solution. And you want to put some water. And a few squirts of your solution. Alright, you guys, so we want to take our stiff bristle brush and we're just going to add some rejuvenator onto the brush. Dip it into the solution, and we're just gonna scrub all the surface. So,
you get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, that she gon' fuck up a bag.
Alright, guys, so now we're gonna take our soft bristle brush and just scrub around the uppers until you see all the grime and excess dirt off the shoe. And yeah, let's get into it.
Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dip in the stash. In Italy, got too far, hoes they DM me. Drop the top when it's cold, but you feel the heat.
Alright, guys, so just a quick disclaimer on why I did not take out the laces on those 6s is because the restoration I did on them wasn't that serious, and I didn't feel the need to take them out. And yeah, thanks to my cameraman, my brother, my twin. If you guys want to blow him up on Insta, here's Insta.
Fucking Prince, no space, no caps.
Alright, you guys, so go hit him up, and yeah, let's get back to the restoration.
Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast, they say the dope on fleek.
Percocet pill on me, ice on my neck, baby, chill with me. Them niggas that bust in the back don't say nothing, them niggas a kill for me. Back as I count on my sleep, on fleek. 100K spit on that patty for lead. Bitch, I'm a dog in my tree. Hop out the frog and leap. I put them bricks in the fender. My bitch, she walk around like she Kris Jenner. I used to break in the Emma, then take out running like the game of Temple. It's simple, I play with a mental. Mama say she saw me on Jimmy Kimmel. Canada, cause I'm a money symbol. Walking with the rats, I'm looking crippled. Fuck on that bitch, then I temple. A nickel for me to take pictures. Not from LA, but I clip her. Double my cup or a triple. Boss on my body, no biblical. I'm not your average or typical. Look at my wrist and it's critical. Look at the hold it up, dropping the temperature. I get that bag on the regular. I got a bag on my cellular. Back in the bag of them vegetables. Bag of them cookies, it's medical. Cocaine, codeine, etc.
Alright, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys did, please leave a big fat like on this video. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe down below. You guys, we have made it past the goal of 100 subs. Our next goal is 250, guys. Let's see if we can reach that pretty soon. And if you guys have any video ideas, please leave that in the comments below. And stay tuned for more videos.